What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the OnePlus 6T and the box art that is leaked for the phone, and it's basically showing what the phone looks like as well. Now, the OnePlus 6T is the successor to the OnePlus 6. It's like their updated, more premium version of the phone that they released later on in the year. This should come out most likely in October or November of this year. And looking at the box art, you can see on the first photo, it says OnePlus 6T and the T is red. And then on the other side of the box, it says unlock the speed. And these phones are always super fast. Looking inside the box, you can see a cutout for what the phone will look like. And one of the interesting things at the bottom is you can see unlock the speed, and it shows an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, this isn't going to be far-fetched from being reality, in case you might think this is incorrect, because there are already phones that have in-display fingerprints. This will be a different technology than the one Samsung does, most likely. Samsung's will be more enhanced, more advanced as well, but this one should still work very well, hopefully anyway, on the OnePlus 6T. And then it also, you can see at the very top, they decreased the notch big time to the point where it now almost looks like an essential phone, where it just has that little teardrop for a camera at the top. And our last story of the day comes from DJ Ko, the CEO of Samsung, and he was on CNBC being interviewed, and he let a little gossip out about the Galaxy X phone. The Galaxy X phone is the Samsung phone that's going to have that foldable display, and he's come out and said it'll work folded or unfolded. So if you want to use the phone, have it be, again, folded or unfolded, you'll be able to do that. I don't know if you'll be able to do everything, have it be folded or unfolded, or there's certain tasks while it's in those states. That remains to be known. The other interesting thing he said is that this phone would be launched at the Samsung Developer Conference, which is November 7th and 8th in San Francisco, or at least it might be. He said it's a complicated device to create and get going, but if they do launch it, the earliest they'll launch it is November 7th/8th at the Samsung Developer Conference. And then from there, usually when they announce a phone, it's usually a couple weeks later that you can actually order it, have it in your hands. So this is quite exciting for us to be able to get such a device in hand, possibly, and it's a brand new technology that Samsung's going to be having. It's going to have a foldable display, so exciting to get that. Excited to get out my hands on that if it possibly gets out. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, are you excited about that Galaxy X phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Or is it something you're like, I'm happy with my Note 9, I don't need anything else, or I'm happy with my whatever phone you have at that point? Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you down the road. Peace.